The numerical value of every observed measurement is really just an approximation. No physical measurement, such as a measurement of mass, a measurement of length, time, volume, velocity, is ever absolutely spot-on correct. The accuracy or the reliability of every measurement is limited by the reliability of the actual instrument that does the measuring. And the truth is, these instruments are never absolutely reliable. That's where in the sciences we get into significant figures, or sig figs for short. A significant figure is known to be reasonably reliable. In elementary measurements in chemistry and physics, the last digit is an estimated figure and is considered as a significant figure. Now, before we move on, we do need to establish a little bit of a vocabulary understanding, and I use the term digits. When I use this term digits, all I mean is all